A mixed performance in the first quarter of FY26 with strong growth in watches, fragrances and international markets offsetting softness in core jewelry segment due to gold price volatility. My colleague Snehi Shah is now joining us with more details on exactly this. Snehi, over to you.
Well, as if you take a look at Titan's Q1 FY26 update, I would say it's a mixed set of numbers coming in, and I say mixed because the other segments, segments barring jewelry, have done very well on a year-on-year and a sequential basis, but it's actually jewelry that makes up the biggest part of the business that has lagged slightly on a sequential basis. First, if you take a look at the overall numbers, for the consumer business, growth has come in at 20%. That's slightly lower than what we had seen last quarter with 10 store additions. For domestic business, growth has come in at 19% on a year-on-year basis, still lower on a sequential basis with a net store addition of 9 stores. But if you take a look at how the jewelry business has done, a lot of consumption sentiment has been hit by the gold price volatility that we have seen in the quarter gone by. Buyer growth has been flat for Tanishq, Mia, Zoya as well as CaratLane, and customers have preferred lightweight gold and low caratage jewelry. That has affected the margins of the overall jewelry business. Studded ratio is also lower on a year-on-year basis, and Tanishq, Mia and Zoya are likely to collectively grow 17%, and CaratLane is expected to grow 38% on a year-on-year basis. So good growth coming in for CaratLane. Like-to-like growth in TMZ is early double digits, and the same for CaratLane is in healthy double digits. Moving away from that, watches have done very well. Overall growth of 23% on a year-on-year basis, led by analog, both house brands as well as international. Eye care has also done well, overall growth of 12% year-on-year. Emerging business this time has given a very positive surprise. Fragrances are up 56%, women's bags are up 61%, and surprisingly, Taneira has this time logged a positive growth of 15% on a year-on-year basis. So overall emerging business growth of 36%, and international business is also up 49% on a year-on-year basis. So other than jewelry and overall revenue that was slightly lower, overall business has, in terms of other segments, have done really well for Titan. So overall, we would say it's a mixed set of Q1 updates for Titan.